In this tutorial, we will teach you how to join data from multiple cells in Excel. In this video, as you can see, there are two columns. The first column contains the first names, and the second column has the last names. In order to merge them together, we will use a formula. First of all, we will insert a column after the first two and give it a heading of full name. Now we will go to the first cell of the column, in this case that is D7, and write is equals to B7 and inverted commas open space inverted commas close and C7. When we press enter, the names will be merged. In order to fill it all the way down, we will use autofill. Since we have the names merged, we don't want the first two columns anymore. However, we can't delete the columns as they are linked to the third column. So copy the names which are in the third column and go to the Paste button, which is in the Clipboard group. From the drop-down menu, select the first option under Paste Values. Now your names are not the result of any formula, but just plain text. Therefore, you can delete the first two columns now.